Our projects department lead and support on many compressed air and complete turnkey installations, both nationwide and internationally. We work in partnership with major M&E contractors, as well as designing bespoke systems requested by customers.
We have the ability to take on full design responsibility for projects.
We're able to modify plans in line with specifications without reducing quality.
We can produce detailed 3D models and drawings. It allows us to edit the layout of any plant and pipework efficiently.
In a newly built site, the 3D model can be used with BIM to ensure proper coordination between all the building services.
Our 3D models can be integrated with Revit or any other 3D Autodesk software. We also produce 2D digital drawings to coordinate our pipework routes with other surfaces in the building.
Our team of engineers are fully trained in the installation of modern stainless steel and aluminium systems, including Tesio and Transair, as well as more traditional galvanized steel pipework. Direct air installations are fully accredited and in compliance with all the relevant safety regulations. Any questions? Get in touch.